Hey everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix your device is missing important security and quality fixes. So this will be applicable for both Windows 10 or Windows 11 or any other operating system. You can try for that as well. That should be like Windows 7 or Windows 8.1. I won't be going behind that what are the causes, and we will be moving with the solution. The first thing that I would recommend you that you should run the SFC scan. This is a Windows scan that you can run on your PC that will surely help you to fix the corrupted file on your PC. It's very simple. Click on your search box and type cmd. From the suggestion, click on run as administrator to open the command prompt. The black window will be coming up here. You have to type here SFC space / scan now. Hit enter. Now this will be scanning all the file and take some time. So what we can do, we can minimize it, and the rest of the time we can just proceed with the other troubleshooting steps. So minimize this page, and now in the next step we have to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter that will be helping us to find out the problem. Again, click on the search box, type trouble, and from the suggestion click on troubleshoot settings. Now here click on additional troubleshooters and then click on Windows Update. Then click the run the troubleshooter, and this will start detecting the problem, and this will let you know that what exactly the problem is. Okay, so this may take some time. So once it will be completed, I will get back to you. And now the troubleshooting has been completed, and it says you can try exploring other options that might be helpful. So in my case, I'm not getting enough suggestion from them, but probably on your end you may get some suggestion. You have to follow that, and accordingly you can apply the solutions. Still, if you are confused, do not need to worry, just simply follow with my next solutions. So you can click on close, then close, and now we have to reinstall the most recent Windows security updates. So click on your search box and type update history, and from the suggestion click on view your update history. So this will be coming up, and you can scroll down to the bottom and you will find like uninstall updates. Here it is on the top. On Windows 11 you will be getting at the last of the page. So click on uninstall updates, and this will take you to the install update page, and here you will find the security update for Microsoft Windows. So what you have to do, just need to make a right click on it and choose uninstall. So once you click on uninstall, after that, once it's been uninstalled properly, you have to restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, the new Windows update will be installed automatically. And after that, you can check back that the issue has been resolved or not. Still, if you have the issues, still if you have the problem, do not need to worry. Follow the next solution. Close everything. And now we have to reset the Windows Update service. How you have to do? Click on the search box again, type cmd. Then from the suggestion, click on run as administrator to open command prompt as an admin. The black window will be coming up. Now here we have to run few commands to stop the service and then to restart the service. So the command will be in the description. You need to copy the command one by one and paste here. So copy the first command, paste here, then hit on enter, and you can see it says Windows Update service is stopping. Once done, just paste the second command and hit enter. Okay, and now you have to copy the third command, paste here, hit enter. Now copy the fourth command, paste here, hit enter. Now every services related to the Windows Update has been stopped. Now we have to finally restart it. So copy the last command and paste here again. Then hit enter, and now it's been completed. You can minimize it and check back that if this fixed the problem, and if not, then instead of restarting, apply another solution that will be from the Gpedit, where we will be enabling the telemetric services. So how you have to do, click on the search box and type Gpedit, and then from the suggestion click on edit group policy. Now if you are not able to open group policy editor, I have already created a video on that. The link will be in the description. You can watch that video and see that how you can re-enable it on your Windows PC. So once you are here, you have to go to computer configuration, then on administrative templates, then on Windows components, and here you will find data collection and preview builds. Click on it, and here on the right hand side you will find an option of allow telemetry. You have to double click on it, and this will be set to not configured. You have to choose enabled, and the option below, make sure that it's been set to required. Now click on apply, then click on OK, then close it. Now you can check back the SFC scan that we ran, and now you can see it says Windows Resource Protection found corrupt file and successfully repaired them. So there was also some corrupted file which has been now repaired. So it means that we have applied multiple solutions, and now you have to finally restart your PC and check back. I'm very positive, very sure that your problem will be fixed. And if yes, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.